is you go back to the software that your manufacturer had gave you and you pull out the reports. You pull out the battery calculations, you pull out the panel information, and this is what you would send to your engineer so they could take this and put it on the drawing, and it would actually look like this. Here would be the battery calculations it would be the panel information. It will have the battery calculations here as well. You could put your derating factors, always 1.2, 24-hour standby time, 5 minutes, 15 minutes if it's a voice system. Depending on what the qualifications are for that particular design, you would make that adjustment here so it could give the engineer the right calculations. And if you're using a booster panel, it's going to have that information there, and it's going to give you the size batteries that you need. And lastly, it's going to give you the panel information, all the devices that's connected to the panel, what the current draw is, what devices are drawing the most current. Just give you a whole level of detail, because you're always supposed to have spare space on your system, whether it be the data loop or NAC circuit. So this is giving us a quick indication if we have room to grow the system. If not, off jump, we can say, no, we need a bigger, price us out at a bigger system so we can have future growth for expansion. And when you give that information to the engineer, this is what it's going to look like when he put it on a set of drawings. He's going to have all of that information copied and pasted onto the drawings, so that way when we hand these over to the electrician, they know how to put the system in, how many devices for each circuit with minimal supervision. And also the client's engineer will also understand the type of system we're putting in and how much space they have also for future growth.